think Relevate started out as a how do we make relationship education more accessible, and has now transformed into a movement, an idea of how do we make research about relationships of all types accessible, and how we do that is quite multifaceted, right? So what can we do on as far as the research side of things? How do we get researchers to talk more to the public? How do we give them the tools to do that and a way to do that? And how do we make sure that what we're doing is actually relevant to the public, and not just through the internet, but also like we do events on campuses in the communities. Like, how do we make sure that what we're doing is relevant to the communities that we're embedded in?
If you're having some sort of problem in your romantic relationship or a friendship, and you Google about it, you're gonna get a lot of advice. So people post their opinion on blogs or on Twitter or whatever, and some of it's really like well written, but it's not backed by any research. And so the mission of the app and the website is to get that research into the hands of people who don't have degrees in family studies in ways that they can understand it. It's a really cool opportunity to be very multidisciplinary, to bring a lot of people in, because a lot of those skills, like development or videography, like they translate really well, and you just choose where you want to spend your time and what matters to you. But yeah, we're always looking for more people, and hopefully as we can kind of better establish ourselves on the web, and we do a lot of events here at K-State and in the Manhattan community, that will get some more people who believe in getting relationship education out to the masses.